Hello guys, today we are going to be talking to my dead dog. Okay, let's start.
I'm a cool friend with this random person.
Quiet, Jesus.
I am way too loud.
It's 3 a.m. challenge, guys.
Oh
3 a.m.
Okay,
I'm a national wonder.
Buy the dip.
okay, now we're going to put your
Also,
put
Rachel-
two fingers.
Rachel, this person is wearing too much makeup.
Put
Like,
two
look at her.
fingers. Okay,
Her
now
face is sweating.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
guys.
Let's see. Okay, wait. Is Bouncy Billy there?
S-T.
S-T. Okay, guys.
T.
Okay,
Which-
S. Okay, guys. Okay, now we're gonna ask the next question.
What if he
Wait,
wants
wait.
to continue the question?
Okay, wait. Is Bouncy Billy? Is Obama there? Obama is there, guys. Guys, Obama is there.
What about your dead dog?
Oh, yeah, he's gone. He's not gone. He's not gone. Is anyone there? Who's doing that? Oh, I don't see any pressure on Jimmy's fingers. Zero.
Zero. Oh my god, guys.
Oh my
so
god, guys,
scary.
it's so scary. And we are talking to my dead dog.
Is there?
Is it, Jesus?
What?
May you please answer our prayer?
Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Wait, guys, guys, we actually need to do this for reals. What are you doing? Burning mouth. Okay, so I'm gonna ask him. Guys, we need to okay, I'm gonna ask him.
Okay, put your fingers on it, guys. Come on. Just do.
Is Obama there? I don't believe in this stuff. Hey guys, we're back. Now we're gonna ask if this, look at the camera, is he going to explode? Let's see. Okay, put your fingers back on. Let's see. Yes! Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god, guys. Yes, he's going to explode.
Oh no, he's gonna explode in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, guys. He exploded. Oh my god, guys. He exploded. Remember, never do this at 3 a.m. Okay? Okay, guys. Welcome back. Never do this at 3 a.m. at home. Also, remember to go to notaobamascam.com to buy my merch. Bye.